Now I want to show you the last command, which is to create a random portrait budget page. When you click on that, it will automatically generate an random portrait size budget page. Now, if you want to get more specific, then instead of clicking the button, you can say create a random luxe portrait budget page, or create a random, I don't know, kid inspired budget page. And then it will just create random. It's not going to ask you any questions. It'll just generate it. But we will look and see what type of budget page it will generate with us using that command. All right, this is not bad. It generated a basic budget page. You can always change the title, of course, and if you want to change the labels, but this looks pretty good. Okay, so if you like this, then you can just build your planner page from using this first page as a reference. So I said I like this, give me the font and color palette, and then I like to build out the next page. Okay, so it's giving me the font that I use for the header, the text it's using for the body and table, as well as the color palette. So if you wanted to, so then let's say I want to do debt payoff tracker next. So I would say, just like we did in the other example, let's do this next. So I'll say, let's do debt payoff tracker next, same aesthetics. All right, so we now have the matching debt payoff tracker. This looks really nice, simple, yet effective. And as you see, we have generated another page. So you can use this command again as inspiration. If you like the page that it built out, that it generated for you, then you can simply continue to build on from that first page using it as a reference. And yeah, so there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.